Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to rewrite the content using AI. Ensure that you have installed the AI module from the App Store, and let's move on to the AI module and under the configuration settings. Ensure that we have we are using our own ChatGPT account, and thus we need to provide the API key to connect with your account. So once everything is done, you can move on to the configuration and choose default prompts over here. So you would be able to find all the prompts that are created, and I'll be setting the rule name as text selector. And I just want to rewrite the content of the users on all models. And I'll be using the agent. It can be the default agent, or you can choose any agent from this list. So once it's done, the next step is to provide the instruction. We are setting the agent to do an instruction. That is, the purpose of this agent is to suggest alternative piece of text to the users uh, that's written. And if the user asks to rewrite the text in a specific way, the answer will be replacing the original text as and thus will not add any additional commentary. So we have to use a button. So I'll be setting rewrite selected text. Once everything is done, we can move on to the website. So we can rewrite the text from the website, and we can also just do it under the blog. I'll show you an example. So here you can see the unleash your potential as the text, or you can just use any block of text from here. To do so, we can move on to the edit, and here you can see I'm going to choose the text. So once I select the text here, I'll be getting the AI feature, that is to generate or transform the content with AI. Upon choosing that, here you can see that we can rewrite the selected text. So upon choosing the button, you can see that here AI will be providing discover your capabilities as a text. So if you want to just replace this created one with the original content, we can just use this. So it's been changed over here and updated. Or if you want to just copy this into the clipboard, you can also do so. So once everything is completed, you can save the changes over here. And if you want to apply the same in the blog, you can do the same in case of blog also, to perform a proper structure and alignment of the blog. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.